What's going on, guys? Ben from Starbase Wraps Las Vegas here, and I've got this brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y back in my shop. So I just PPF'd it about a month ago, and it already took a nasty, either someone backed into them or drove into them, probably in a parking lot or somewhere silly. There's a lot of bad drivers out there. And you can see how the PPF protected this paint right here. And man, he got the PPF just in time because I just installed this like a month ago. And you can see there, looks like he got backed into or something. I mean, that paint is still fresh. There's no damage on that paint at all. And just like that, in about 5 minutes, I got that bumper PPF removed on there. Came off super easy and clean. There's not a bunch of glue left behind, and that paint is protected. Where that car got damaged, no scuffs, no nothing. The PPF did its job. And to get started, I'm using some Obsessed Garage decontamination soap. And the best part about washing the car is getting it all nice and foamy with this foam cannon. All right, so now I've got the car all foamed up. I'm gonna let that sit on there for about 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna spray it off. Then I'm gonna re-foam it, do an agitation wash, spray it off again, dry it off, and we'll get ready to install some film. And here's where we're at so far. So I've already went ahead, I've laid the STEK PPF across the driver's side. So I've got the pillar, the little pillar on the trunk, and both of the doors cut out right here. I've got the driver's side door on my peel board right here. I've already prepped the surface with CarPro Eraser, which is an alcohol solution, to get any of the fingerprints off of there. So now I'm gonna give it a spray, squeegee it, and then install the film. If you cut this out in a light color like silver or white, you know, it's gonna have little seams and they're gonna collect dirt over time. So you're gonna get dirt all up in here. So I remove it, PPF it, and then put a new badge over the PPF. That way it doesn't look crazy like in a year from now. But if you're using a pattern, like I have a graph tech right here, I can do any pattern I want, but you have a seam that goes right across here, and like it's gonna catch the light, it's not gonna look very good. So I like to do it one piece like this. It just comes out so much better. I mean, look at that, man. This came out great. And this Model Y is all protected with STEK Dyno Shield 10-year warranty paint protection film. And like I said earlier in the video, this PPF actually goes on the Carfax, so when you go to sell it, the next person that wants to buy it knows that you cared about this car and it was protected and it's not gonna be all chewed up with rock chips and all that stuff. And let's take a look around at this Model Y and see how everything came out. This one has the smoked PPF light bar on here, along with clear PPF on the headlights. The bumper is done in one piece, so there is no seam. This is a one-piece front bumper right here. There's no line or any craziness. One piece, no seams right here. The only seams are on the mirrors because it's impossible to do in one piece. This is all nice and tucked in through here. Same thing around the camera. The doors are all wrapped. Everything's nice and tucked. I removed the mirror and the trim so there's no exposed edge. On a lighter color like silver or white, if there's any seams, it's gonna collect dirt over time. So like a year from now, if this had seams on it, it's gonna collect dirt and it'll look like a black line. Same thing with here, there's no outline on the door. This is all tucked into here nice. We can open this up. Now, like when you go to open your door, if it's just wrapped to the edge and you open up your car door into like another car or a barricade or something, it's gonna chip the paint. And after you spend all that money on PPF, like you want it to be protected. So this is wrapped all the way down into here. So everything's nice and protected. Same on this. You can kind of see, let's see if we can see where that line's at. Yeah, it's all wrapped down into here. Go up here, I'll take a look at this. This is all looking really good. I'll remove everything. And then, oh yeah, the trunk. So the trunk is done in one piece right here. So there's no huge seam going across this whole thing. Like, it would look weird if there was a line right here. But yeah, that's a one-piece trunk right there. Then we got our bottom part right here looking really good. That's all tucked up in there, all wrapped around. Like it's the same thing with like the door, the trunk, if you open it into something and it's just wrapped to the edge, it's gonna chip the paint. We got it charging up for the customer here, so he'll leave with the full charge. I mean, you can see in there, like everything is nice and wrapped. I just did this morning and yesterday, so it is still curing. But I did heat seal all the edges. Now we just kind of wait and let it sit out, and then we'll give it one more QC before we hand it off to the customer. But man, this thing came out absolutely awesome. I mean, look at this thing, it's so glossy. So if you own a Tesla in Las Vegas and you want to stay protected with paint protection film, or you're tired of baking in the sun in your fishbowl and need ceramic window tint to stay cool, I also do vinyl wraps, color PPF, paint correction, ceramic coatings, and detailing. You can go to starbasewraps.com, send me a text, an email, ben@starbasewraps.com, and I would love to get your Tesla looking awesome. And I'm a Tesla owner too. That's my Model S Plaid, that's my wife's Model Y right there. So we're Tesla owners, we specialize in Teslas. And thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you on the next video.